size. Okay. I want to picture.
So good afternoon, teacher, farmers, and my friends. Today I'd like to be here to tell you about my project. It's youth competition between two yellow sweet paper varieties, HILA and LORENCE. My name is Nắm I'm a farmer is U1 a supervisor neighborhood translation to take class. So introduction, Israel is a small country in West Asia, and it has land border with 4 countries. And the area of Israel is only 20,720 square kilometers, and it has population about 8.6 million people. And Israel known as the silicon, the field of the agriculture and water technology with only 2.5% of the population. And each year we export $3 billion in agricultural products. So Arava is situated in the Dead Sea and lived village which created a desert, and the average temperature is between 35 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius in the summer. But in the winter, it's belonged the temperature is belong to 0 Celsius and have 5 Moshavin and 2 community sentiment. All of the Moshav, the growth paper, tomato, plant and forward for export. Plants are small Moshavs in Western Asia. This small Moshav is southern Israel located in the Arava variety, and Moshav plant is 104 above sea level. It has population about 481 people. Each family farm unit cover 50 dunams. There are 120 farms, and got pepper, tomato, plant, and forwards for export. And some family feed cows and goats. Of research objective use comparison between 2 yellow sweet paper varieties HILA and LORENCE. Hypothesis: LORENCE yellow paper will produce better yield than the HILA. LORENCE yellow paper will produce bigger size of fruit than HILA yellow. So you can see the equipment, shears, skirt, and books and computer below. The methodology: 2 sweet paper graded in a net house, 2 cement, 1 cement HILA and cement 2 LORENCE, 3 replication per 1 cement. There are 20 plants per replication. There are 3,400 plants per dunam. They are planting and selling on 24th July 2019. Collect data on November 2019 to April 2020. Picking paper data collections calculate according to rate and diameter or size of food. For data analysis, use Microsoft Excel. So this graph total use of 2 quality sweet paper ton per dunam from November 2019 to April 2020. For the graph, we can see just on February and March, the variety lowlands get more produce bigger yield than the variety HILA. So figures 1 total average weight of fruit of variety HILA for each size per dunam from November 2019 to April 2020. So for figures 1, we can see the percentage of each side. Just side L gets more weight, about 44%. So figures 2, total average weight of fruit of variety lowlands for each side per dunam for November 2019 to April 2020. So for class, for figures 2, we can see percentage of each side. Just side, it gets more weight, about 61.5%. Class, these graphs are total yield on per dunam of variety from November 2019 to April 2020. So we can see the total yield of variety HILA get 10.7 ton per dunam. Then the variety lowlands 10.2 ton per dunam. Conclusion: through experiment, through research, we can see the variety HILA yellow sweet pepper yield higher 10.7 ton per dunam than the variety HILA sweet pepper lowlands 10.2 ton per dunam. The variety lowlands yellow sweet pepper produce bigger fruit size than the variety HILA yellow sweet pepper. Recommendation: next year, farmers should find out another variety that produce bigger yield and use different methods such as use change that greenhouse soil. Using our knowledge, after the previous time we work and live and study in Arab Israel, first we can learn about the way Israeli people live and work, the farmer, how to manage and control this farm. Second, 95% of the agriculture center is scientific, and only 5% of these are workers in Israel. So we can learn about the different projects, especially via this mini project. We can get the knowledge about modernized drip irrigation items and average agriculture technique for fruit and vegetable, how to maintain the best produce for their crop. Loudly using our knowledge, we want to explain the drip irrigation item to production of organic vegetable without soil. Then use materialized coconut form or each of the two growth plants. Using this technology, vegetable grow well, productivity increase about 1.5 times than vegetable grow on soil. Soften the growth period of 5 to 7 days per harvest, ensuring fruit safety and hygiene. Increase the coefficient of them and juice from 3 to 5 times. Especially this technology produce vegetable even in area with contaminated soil in the balcony terrace and the cross is not too expensive. So for now, my presentation finished. Thank you. If my friend have any question to ask.
Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. A picture. Maybe.
Take a picture.
Zaki, put the photo.
Can.
Who take the picture? Who take the picture? You?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have the last presentation.